So yes, this is finally happening. We are going to IIT Madras for a case competition. We have successfully cleared 2 rounds which were online and the final round is offline.
जब भी आप देश के एक कोने से दूसरे कोने ट्रैवल कर रहे हो हमेशा बस में जाइए
नहीं कभी
बहुत ही
बस में कभी नहीं जाना चाहिए. Yeah, that was sarcasm in case it wasn't obvious. Here's the deal. We could not get the train tickets on such a short notice, so we had no other choice but to get the bus. But hey, life's all about making memories, even if they were slightly nauseating ones. As soon as I boarded the flight, I got deja vu moment. It felt like I'm in Mumbai local. It is like Edges Karlo vibes. But the food was good, so I did not mind. Hashtag priorities. We finally reached. Why am I like this? Okay. We finally reached Chennai, and now we are going to fresh up a little, and we'll head directly to IIT Madras. Let's see you there then. One bed here, one bed here. That's all. पता नहीं रूम इतना सा क्यों है. So I am ready for the event. It's 9 right now. हमारा इवेंट 10 बजे है. एक बार हमें प्रैक्टिस करनी है क्योंकि हमने प्रैक्टिस की नहीं है अभी तक. बहुत शॉर्ट नोटिस में हम प्रिपेयर कर रहे थे. सो एंड ऑल्सो आई जस्ट रियलाइज कि मेरे रूम में there is a whole balcony. I was like, wow. And the view outside also is very beautiful. So yeah. The presentation went pretty well, but we did not win. Still, making it to the top 10 teams across India. Not bad, right? And guess what? We were also the youngest team there. So no trophy, but definitely something to be proud of. Instead of being sad over it, we decided to go out and explore Chennai. Because Chennai आने में पैसे खर्च किए हैं. So yeah, we went to this very famous South Indian authentic something because one of my friends from I am Jammu suggested that you have to visit this place. He is from Chennai. We ate so much there. There's this dish called Jigar Thanda and we have the normal Jigar also. Is Chennai really famous for beaches? Well, that's at least what we were told. So of course, we went to the beach and while we were there, we saw this mela. It was like a little blast of nostalgia. Colorful lights, games and all those childhood vibes. We enjoyed there. IIT Madras has organized a DJ night. We were unfortunately late for that, so we could not enjoy the whole thing. And this is a little IIT Madras campus tour. Of course, the campus is huge. I could not cover everything.
So far away, I wanna feel it so you can't compare. Throw your whole heart away, whole heart away. Everyone knows you're such a fake. How do I stop you?
So the lake got so many crocodiles in it. So the entry is prohibited. I was like, can I go? And he's like, crocodile खा जाएगा तो क्या होगा? He tried his best to speak in Hindi, but I could understand.
Why is it that no one saw me? Everything would get so fucking loud. Everything would be so lonely. When am I allowed to leave it? Why is it that no one saw me? Everything would get so fucking loud. Everything would be so lonely. When am I allowed to leave this? I'm bad, you must be feeling it to come back, come back. I'm bad, you must be feeling it to come back, come back.
Our flight was at 11 in the morning and we showed up well in advance, feeling all prepared. But somehow, we still ended up getting called out on the last call, And that moment, where we were practically about to miss the flight, but fortunately, we just got in time. So we had a layover in Delhi, and with just about 3 hours, we had to rush. But of course, I risked it all just to get the good food. Priorities, right? I spent a huge amount of money on some fancy dishes, and as soon as I got back to the airport, they announced that the flight has been cancelled. The next flight was next day in the morning, but college leave nahi approve karta, so we could not afford that. So my dad gave us a ticket for Delhi to Jammu in couple of hours. So in that couple of hours, what we did is to eat a lot. Yeah, obviously. So early in the morning, we finally reached the campus, and I had to explain all what tragedy happened and how we managed, how we came here. But IIT Madras was fun. This was a good experience.